What's up, tubers? Welcome back to the channel. About to do another unboxing here of a vintage kit that I picked up recently. Got a really good deal on this thing, sealed. I was browsing the Faceytweet marketplace and saw this ad. The guy had posted it. He had a couple of screenshots of, you know, eBay prices, which, as we all know, is not a benchmark. It's just what some dude is asking for his kit. Yes, granted, this is a rare one. I mean, I knew of its existence only because I'd love to see more motorcycles and trailers in kits, like that Datsun trailer that I got. I saw that a long time ago, and I always wanted one. I finally got one, but it didn't have the motorcycles. So I saw this, I was like, oh man, cool. And he had it listed at, as you can see, he had it at 70 bucks. And I thought, I mean, first of all, I'm kind of broke. And then I thought, well, you know what? I'm just going to ask 40 bucks. Let's see. What's the, I wasn't trying to lowball, just that's what I had. And he said yes. So, okay, cool. And then later I come to find that him and his spouse, they did a job and got it for free. The money wasn't an issue. He probably would have taken less. But whatever. Again, I don't really want to do an unboxing so much part for part. I'm just curious. I want to get inside and look, see the condition of it, see what shape it's in. I looked on Scale Makes a little bit about the history of the truck. There's a few other releases, not so many of the extended cab. There's this guy with the family, but that is so cool. So, without further ado, and you know, again, before I do, I know a lot of people have different mindsets about, you know, storing, keeping, hoarding kits. And think about it, somebody had been holding on to this kit for a long time. And look what happened. So, open them, build them. That's why we have them. That's why they made them. That's why you get them. You look at it and say, oh, that's cool, I want to build that. Not put the box on a shelf, you know? That's, you know, tragic in a way. So, nice. All looks to be in really good shape too. All the plastic looks good. The decals on the bottom are maybe a little curled, but it's okay. Let's take a peek at what's going on in here. Again, I don't really want to do an unboxing. I'm not going to open each and every bag and look at it. I just want to look at the decals, which right away look like they're in really good shape. They're not, they're maybe yellowed a little bit, but not too bad. And now that I look at it, they're not really that critical. You know, there's not like there's some big Harley sticker or something that you can't have or can't live without. I mean, that is somewhat critical to the build of a real truck. A little bit of research that I did, I found online that I saw that Jay Leno actually got the first one. He has #1, or he had #1, and auctioned it off for kids or something. And it had a supercharger in it, which they don't come with. They didn't come with until much later. So, nice. Nice looking wheels. Where's that hard, dangerous murder sickle? That's probably in this one with the trailer. Yeah. Nice. Yeah, I'm sorry. I'm gonna leave this in the bag just so that it doesn't warp. I mostly wanted to take it out and see. These were open, but there's no plastic for them to, if they were gonna melt, it wouldn't damage them. They're a little bit brittle. Not too bad. Wait, why are there so many? Oh, that's right. There's 4 tires for the trailer? No, that's not right. Oh, wow. It comes with options. Very cool. So, I will be doing it box stock, you know. I mean, why stray from... It's a pretty cool truck. Already pretty cool in its own right. With the matching trailer and motorcycle. And it looks like it's that era of Revell that should be decent. Should be a decent build. Cool. So, pretty stoked on that. Again, not an actual unboxing. I just wanted to open it, take a look. I wanted to devalue it. I wonder how many people cringed when they saw me cut that plastic. Oh, that's pretty wild. That's about it. I haven't opened this one just because I haven't opened it yet. I've had it for a while. I have it and a couple other to go with it. I have the one of Brian's cars, one of Dominic's cars, and something else I can't think of at the moment. But you know, a little faster and more furious or diorama. That's about it, man. I just wanted to crack it open and share with you guys this cool motorcycle. I mean, why can't we see more of these? That's what we want, right? Am I right? Am I right? Just looking at it through, you know what? It's a tape bag. What the heck? Let's see if I can get the tape off without destroying the bag. Great, I have no intentions of reselling this. I'm not putting it, relisting it back on eBay, you know. Yeah, it's got some wheels that are, the wheels on the trailer match the truck. Very cool. Good, detailed. Ooh. Danger. Danger. It actually looks pretty stout. I'll still be careful with it all. All looks really good. 2-part tank, so that'll be interesting to put together and smooth. Really cool. I mean, come on. I mean, I know I'm not alone in this. We would love to see that. Just this. Just this tree alone. If we could see this, you know, we don't even have to see the trailer, which is pretty cool. But man, how many of them would you buy? You wouldn't buy any because I'd buy all of them. Right? Come on, get back in there. So I wonder why. I wonder, did the molds get destroyed or something, or you know, why don't we? Where are they? So whatever. I'm not gonna do that on camera. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one, and I am gonna build it.